phone. Good morning. Oh, it's still morning, yeah. It's still before 11. I'm with Tanya and we're in IKEA and we're getting meatballs because IKEA. And I'm actually not hungry because I had pizza. So we got 20 meatballs between the two of us and fries and this festive drink, whatever it is. Kind of looks like Dr. Pepper. IKEA, it's so cool. Look, I have a trolley with my Hello Kitty bag. And I need to find bed sheet. And I also need to find candles. These are all the things that are downstairs, so we're just kind of traveling along. And so I need candles, bed sheets, and something else that I forgot. This is so dark. I don't like it. It's too dark for me. Like if the lights were brighter, then maybe. But also, it's really black.
It is really black.
I like white. That sounds racist, but it's not. I really like this cloche. That's actually really cute. £10. No, if it comes with the base,
Yeah.
that's like really nice.
That's alright.
I would break it. True. Oh, you can't even see it on the vlog because it's too bright. Oh, there you go. It's not ugly, it's just very weird shaped. I need a shoe rack, but also I can't be bothered to build it. Guys, don't you think this would be a good nail polish shelf? It's like, you could put 3 nail polishes in a row. It would be perfect. Someone's going to steal my Hello Kitty bag, I'm really worried, so I'm just going to hold on to my trolley. Maybe. Those aren't real though, those are plastic, right?
No, I know it's plastic, yeah.
Okay, because you can get ones that like have an inbuilt light in them.
It'd be good if you didn't have a garden.
Yeah. Or if you, it's like a herb garden though.
Yeah.
So it's literally for the kitchen.
That's nice to do.
Well, you go back in it.
Okay.
Say how much you love the kitchen.
I really love the kitchen.
Okay. Do you really like the gold tap? Well, obviously it's not going to work. Why are you trying to turn it on? Your utensils are not gold though. Do you have gold cutlery?
That's from my kitchen.
We'll check it.
Check it.
There's tongs in here.
But why do you need gold cutlery?
Oh, I like that it's soft closing. There was because it's pretty. Maybe you can fit other things in it. I don't know. Nail polish. I'm always looking out for nail polish. And I had you. It doesn't even say hey. Oh man, the sharks are behind you. That's a beluga, but look at the top. Look high. Yes, now you see the sharks. Why are there no sharks hidden around IKEA in this IKEA? I do not know. We're in Wembley right now, so you just don't know where the shark's going to be hiding. There's one hiding here with a lot of things. Baby shark. Take it with you and hide it somewhere. It's like Dear Santa. His name tag says Santa. It's really cute.
Hello, you've been good.
They don't speak English because the dad was not speaking to them in English. Okay. Why is that so fun for you?
I can't actually get that much. I just want to spin it really fast. Just so it won't go fast. You're just making sound effects.
Yeah, because you can't spin it. Fun. IKEA is such a fun day out. I really want like a you know those duvets that are just like ones that you can just like put on the bed?
You didn't get any duvets.
Huh?
You didn't get any duvets.
Why would I need a duvet?
I mean, not duvets, sorry.
Sheets. We haven't been to the real sheets yet. We haven't been to the sheet section yet, apart from that one. You said that there's going to be a whole section that has all different sheets, right?
Oh, I thought.
You just put it back and now I'm videoing it. then.
Okay, well.
Okay,
Do you want me to hold it?
yeah. This is supposed to be a candlestick holder. So you'd have it like that, right? But it's actually, the stand is like that. So then like it would stick out the side. What, how would you burn a candle sideways?
Don't know, like this.
And then it would just like drip all down here. So you need to put a plate underneath it. It's like an ear candle.
I don't know.
That's literally the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life in IKEA. I found a hidden shark. I mean, it's not hidden, but there's a shark and it's like definitely not put there by someone because there's 2 sharks.
It's put there by someone.
Well, I mean, it wasn't put there by a member of the public. It was put there by an IKEA employee.
Yeah.
There's 2 sharks in there. It's the first and only hidden shark I found in IKEA. So, yeah. Checking out. I've got like a whole bunch of candles and some new bed sheets and stuff. I can have my new bed sheets for Chinese New Year. Hooray! That's probably when I'll change my sheets anyway. It's like a month. It's like a month away.
Yeah, it's ages away.
Yeah. Okay. Strawberry. Dispense coin. Oh, they didn't give me a coin. So I have my coin now. Here is my coin. My gosh. Hello everybody. I'm sitting here with an iPad on my eye because Tanya's gonna do an at-home lash lift on me.
Hopefully it works.
Hopefully it works, but I can't open my eye because it won't stick.
Should I stick on the eyelashes first, actually?
I don't
Well, let
know.
me put on
Okay, do
some
whatever you
green.
want. Guys, look at my lashes. Do they look lifted? The side definitely looks lifted. The side is like a bit more
Sorry,
stubborn.
your eyes are mismatched.
But I think if I mascara them, they'd be fine.
Yeah, I think you would be able to tell.
Next time. Hi, so Tanya's just left, but I bought some things in IKEA. I mean, we spent 3 hours in there, and I didn't show you. Oh my god, I'm trying to find a way to stand up my phone. Okay, let me fix. Is this a bad angle? Probably is, but whatever. So, I bought a king size fitted sheet because my bed has an abnormally thick. It's a abnormally thick mattress. So it's only a double, but if I get the king size, it should fit the whole thing. I bought 2 of those, one in that white colour and one in a pink colour. They didn't have a lot of different colours, but that will do. I also bought myself a new set of bed sheets. I thought this one was really pretty. It's like this wheat, I don't know, like some sort of type of grass pattern, and it's double-sided, so it's like pink on the outside and the underside is a white. So it's like this, but then opposite on the other side. So I thought that was cute. And you get 2 pillowcases with it, and that's the end of that bag. And then this is the candle bag, the heavy stuff. My Hello Kitty bag. So, oh, it smells so lovely in there. I bought this little candle holder. It was 50p to go with this little candle, which is the peach flavour, and I thought that would sit nicely. So if it burns, it would drip into there. And this is so that I don't have to burn a glass candle. I bought this one for a friend, which is the peach flavour. These are the 40-hour big ones, and this is the berry one. It's like strawberry and raspberry. Actually, it smells really nice, but I prefer peach. So these 2 are for a friend. And then I bought this little one, which is a 25-hour one, and this is blackberry. And I thought this one was quite cute, and you know, it's not too big to burn quick. Like the other ones you have to leave for quite a while, but this one shouldn't be that bad. And then I bought this, which is like a kitchen thing, just to like, it's easier to flip things and stuff. I don't know, I thought it would be useful. I also bought a packet of the gravy powder because it's delicious for the meatballs, and I did not buy meatballs, so whatever, can have that with chips. I bought a simple baking tray because you need one. It's smaller than the one that we have now. We only have one, so there's that. I bought these vegetable cover seal things, and you can seal like cups and things with them as well. There's like 3 in a pack, so I thought I'd try them, see if they're useful. They were like £3 something. I bought 2 glass jar candles because they have they come with a lid, which I thought was really cute. And so once I burn them, I can use them afterwards. So this one is sweet pea, classic sweet pea violet, it says. This one smelled really good. And there's only 2 of these left on the shelf, and they didn't have the big version of them. So I got this one, which is the bigger version, but in the different scent. And so I don't know if you can see the size difference. So you can have one for cotton buds and one for cotton rounds and stuff. This one is citrus, gladiolus and lily. So that's kind of nice. So let's put those to the side. And the last thing I bought was a knife. Sounds weird. I bought one of these before and my dad loves it, so he wanted another one. He wanted one for his house in Malaysia. But yeah, didn't bring it back for them, so too late. But that's all I got in IKEA.